Sorry guys, the other one was late because it ended up early because
Anna, did you already show mine?
Yes. Apparently we got Flowerfell in the background. If you know Flowerfell, then comment down below.
Good for you.
Yeah, look at that. So yeah. Okay, so do you think that's good enough, or do you think we need more?
You just gotta use your hands. Do you want me to videotape?
Yeah. No, I don't want to use my hands. You can use
Me
your
too.
hands.
I just cleaned my hands.
Well, too bad, Angie. If you use your hands on yours, you can use it on. Okay.
Covering my hands.
So, just okay. Do it.
Yeah.
I'll pour it in too. I need more. I poured some of this in more.
Now, guys, this is the most. You can use any powder. Any
Powder? Well, something like this. You can use.
No, any powder.
You can also use.
Even crack. Even Coke. Even Coke.
You could use stuff like this, or you can use the stuff and craft in there. Anything that's powdered like or is enough. So, the fridge is open. Okay.
Anna, you gotta squish it.
Okay, now what do we do to make the slime?
You're not supposed to add this.
So, this.
You did a fail. Pause the video and get rid of it.
Okay, you see this cloth? It's no normal cloth. Well, never mind.
This one's a different one.
So that's how you make slime.
No, Anna, you gotta do another one that was a fail.
Wait a minute. Guys, do not use this. You can use food coloring, but this wasn't food coloring. This is squirts. Because I don't have food coloring. Sad, so. I'm using a pie tray right now. Use your hands, Angie.
Wait.
Just gotta use your hands. Wait a minute.
Use my hands. The power of hands.
Okay, hurry, Angie.
Are you just gonna like...
Hurry.
Okay.
Make it.